Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Disha Learning Videos, and in my videos you are going to learn lots many things like numbers, alphabets, colors, shape, and these videos are especially for preschoolers and the age under 5. Parents can assist the children, their elder brother and sisters can assist them, and the resources which we are going to use are easily available at your home, and you can learn at home with the limited resources. So do watch my videos, and if you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it. Okay, so come, let's see. आज मैं आपको इसकी कहानी सुनाने जा रही हूँ, कान्हा जी के जन्म की। As you can see that in this activity what I have taken glasses and I have marked them with the help of a rubber band. Like this is cover it. Okay, so give them the objects and they will choose themselves. Like if you just tell them if the object is small, you have to take small foil. So if I am using this lemon, they have to cover this lemon with the foil. Okay, they have to fully cover it so that they are not able to see it. They have to cover. It's a very good activity for fine motor skills. See, like this. Okay, now this is completely that in this activity what I have taken is an A4 sheet and various objects, okay, and a marker pen. So the purpose of this activity